up, all my friends, family, and viewers? Welcome back to another video. So today I have a power washer and a fidget spinner. This one's pretty much trash now, so that's why I'm destroying it. And I also have this bottle. We are going to turn this power washer on, destroy some stuff, and before the video starts, comment down below what you think I should do next with the power washer. Like, what do you think I should destroy? Other stuff that has to involve the power washer. Don't forget to leave a like, and let's go on with the video. You gotta start it up, Bob. Okay, so the first item up is this piece of wood. It's about like 1.5 inches thick. We're gonna start with the boring stuff first, and then we're gonna end with the Tito fidget spinner. So we're gonna get this baby powered up and get her done. Here we go, bud! This is gonna go right through it. Is so wet. Okay, so my camera was soaked. I just washed it off though. And this is what happened to the piece of wood. Oh my god. Dripping water too. I don't know what's more wet, the piece of wood or me. Yeah, I know. Because my legs and my dang. I hate this. Yeah, but it's destroyed. Don't need that piece of wood. And the next thing up is this bottle. We switch things up. We put in this little container so that it doesn't go all over the place. This is no pressure. Oh, it's still leaking water. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Go get it. Well, where'd it go? There it is. There's a giant hole in it now. This freaking thing is lethal, Bob. You don't want to crack open a cold one with the boys with this thing. You'll probably kill the boys, Bob. That's just not good. Not good. Crack up a cold one of the boys, Bob. Next item, wash off my camera. Here we go. Start her up, Bob. the can didn't break. Onto the ball. Water. And let's do it one more time. One more time. I destroyed it. Is that blood? No, it's just the hair of this thing. Just take a look. The hair is all along this, all on top of here. Oh, dumb power washer. Now the hair is destroyed. Oh yeah, my dog's just gonna be mad at me now. And of course, what we all have been waiting for. The fidget spinner. Oh yeah. Fidget spinner versus power washer. Let's do this. The last thing. Here we go. I think it's way better now. Going 3, 2, 1. Great. Oh. Jesus. I just want to break you. Come on! No! No, I broke it! No! What did I do? No! Wait! Look at this. Look at this. The bear. This is the only part of the bearing I have. Oh, is that great? This is the only part of the middle bearing.
I can't see it.
Oh my god! Oh, well, that was fun. Now let me just smash this real quick. Hold on. Oh, I snapped this. Wow, it looked like I snapped that too. Focus. Run. But wow. I am so amazing. But that's going to do it for this video. If you all did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends. Turn on my post notifications down below, that little bell, so you don't miss
One eternity later.
another video. Till then, peace out.